Hey everyone, want to keep your files more secure on Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt files in Mega step by step. Yeah, Mega already uses strong security features, but adding extra protection can help keep your important files safer. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to store your protected files. Next, prepare the files you want to protect. You can choose important documents, private photos, business files, or any other data you want to keep secure. Now upload your files to Mega. The platform automatically protects your stored data with encryption while your files are uploaded and stored in your cloud account. If you want an extra layer of protection before uploading, you can encrypt your files using a third-party encryption tool on your computer. Create an encrypted archive, such as a password-protected zip file, and then upload it to Mega. After uploading an encrypted file, keep the password stored in a safe place. I mean, without the correct password, recovering access to the encrypted file may not be possible. You can also protect shared files by creating secure links and controlling who can access your content. So, always review your sharing settings before sending files to others. For better security, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your Mega account. These steps help protect your account from unauthorized access. If you store sensitive files regularly, organize your encrypted files into separate folders so they are easier to manage and find. And that's how you encrypt files in Mega. By using Mega's security features, along with additional encryption methods, you can keep your important files more protected in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.